description.
Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got another one of these NeoStar Ramen Delight. This is their spicy beef. You might remember I tried the spicy chicken the other day. So these say that you need to add 1 1/4 cups or 300 mils of water. They've got a fill line. I don't know why they're saying that, because it's nowhere near the fill line and there's no way you could cook it that way. So I am going to steep it rather, using the fill line indicated on the inside of the bowl, which is much higher than that. So let's do so. Here comes the liquid water. Water is wet. And there is, yeah, that's such a huge difference. We'll see how it goes though. These have been salty and, quite honestly, gross in my opinion. You may like them. I found actually this one came from James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. He's just emailed me earlier today saying that there's another box he's put together that he's sending on the way. So I'm excited about that. And another buddy of mine, he runs a YouTube channel called Noodle Journey. You should check him out. He's got some really interesting... The way he does stuff is kind of like... he'll get an instant noodle variety, and then it's all top down. So, kind of like the way I've done... When I do an unboxing, there's the shot of me, and then there's parts with the shot from my camera pointing down. He does the whole thing top down. So, and they're pretty good. They're pretty good. But yeah, Noodle Journey. Check him out on YouTube. And yeah, he's sending a bunch of noodles. Thanks, man. So yeah, it is Friday. And I don't know. It's Friday. The sun's coming out again, and that irritates me. Go away, sun. That means I gotta put up my poster to block out the sun. If I'm lucky, within a couple minutes it'll just go away. Won't have to deal with it. A lot of the times what'll happen is it'll come out, I'll pull down the blinds, I'll put up the block, and then what happens? By the time I put the 2 chip clips to hold the blocking, I've got like a noodle poster that I use to block it. And by the time it does that, I get it all set up, all of a sudden, cloud blocks the sun. So I can take it off. And I've done that before, like battled the sun. So it's like I set it all up, then the sun goes away. I'm like, oh cool, I can just take this off and do it. Sun starts coming back. I'm like, pfft. Then put it up again, sun's gone. It's like, forget it. But the pictures come out so much better when I'm not using that block. So yeah, I mean, I could use a filter, but still it's gonna be a problem because it's gonna, yeah, no. Yeah, that sun ain't going anywhere. Okay, so, and after the 3 minutes, this still really doesn't, to me, come across as being done. The noodle is thicker and not interested in really wanting to be considered what most people would consider as done. It's kind of doughy and funky. but I'll give it a try. Yeah. Cheers. Okay. And now the broth. It's very, very salty, folks. I mean, it's like incredibly salty. It is spicy. The beef aspect, I couldn't go, hey, what's that flavor? You know, and go, that's beefy, you know. But the sun is going away. But it'll be back. It's going to taunt me this afternoon, which really bums me out because the next one I'm doing is going to be a nice one. Let's get all that beautiful veg out of there. Yeah, there's some of the vegetable. The vegetable. That is what I would consider cosmetic vegetables. They don't really add anything. They don't really make you go, wow, I like that veggie aspect. No. What's that bowl doing there? Oh, it's being used as a fruit bowl. Okay. Sesame seed. And $1.25 from the dollar store. Yeah. It's $1.25. I don't recommend it. I don't like it. No. And I don't know if you could see, but the sun is coming back to taunt me yet again, so hey. But the next one, oh my god. This will be the last one of this week, and this will be the 14th instant noodle I've sampled this week. Yeah. I hadn't done any in almost a month, and then wham bam, got right back into it, so yeah. This is Myojo Ibi-chan Smoky Cheese Yakisoba. And this came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com, and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider if you want to get one of those boxes. And yeah, it's I had a tartar sauce one that was really good, so you never know. But we'll find out on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.